In this video, we will dive into how to turn off audio description on Paramount Plus. Let's dive into. If you're using a TV, 1. Start watching a show. First, pick a show or movie on Paramount Plus and start playing it. 2. Access the audio settings. On your TV remote, look for a button that says Audio, Options, Settings, or something similar. If you can't find it, you might need to press the menu or K button while the show is playing. 3. Look for audio description. In the menu that pops up, you should see options for audio or languages. Navigate to the section and look for audio description, English add, or something similar. 4. Turn it off. Once you find the audio description option, select it and switch it to off or choose a regular audio track without the ad label. If you're using a smartphone or tablet, 1. Open the show. Find the show or movie you want to watch on the Paramount Plus app and start playing it. 2. Tap the screen. While the show is playing, tap on the screen to see the playback options. 3. Find the audio options. Look for an icon that looks like a speaker or says Audio or Languages. Tap on it. 4. Select the standard audio. From the list, pick the option that doesn't say audio description or has add next to it. This is usually just the language without any extra labels, like English instead of English add. If you're using a computer, 1. Play something. Go to the Paramount Plus website, find a movie or show, and start playing it. 2. Access settings. Move your mouse over the video, and you should see some icons pop up, usually at the bottom or top right of the screen. Look for one that represents settings, often a gear icon or audio languages. 3. Change the audio track. Click on the audio option and then select a track that doesn't include audio description or add. It might just be the name of the language, like English. General tips. Different devices. The steps can vary a bit depending on your device. If these steps don't exactly match what you see, look for similar options or settings in the app or device menu. Updates. Apps and devices get updated, so if something seems off, check for any updates for your Paramount Plus app or device firmware. Help section. If you're stuck, Paramount Plus has a help section on their website that might have device-specific instructions.